Hi, you guys. Welcome back to Sweet Devotion. It's been a minute. It's funny because this show has become a really special part of people's lives, especially my dad. So my dad watches these on my YouTube and he's been texting me lately and he's like, honey, where are the new shows? And so Dad, this one's for you. This show brings faith and brings sweets together and it just fills your soul. So today we are making pecan mini pies, and these, sometimes like the big pie, it can be a little intimidating, right? Okay, not today. I'm gonna take the intimidation out for you. I'm gonna show you how easy it is, and then we're gonna share some scripture at the end that's just gonna fill your soul. And it's gonna be like some armor to take into the holidays. So let's get started. In your saucepan with your butter, add your brown sugar and then your pure maple syrup. We're gonna cook this down, so stir that up. You'll add a little bit of syrup to your egg and then add your egg mixture into the syrup. And that's cooling it down a little bit before we add in our egg so the egg doesn't cook. Then add in your nuts. And then to assemble the pies, of course, we bake with love. We're using store-bought pie crust here, super easy. We're gonna cut it out. And then we wanna add a little bit of our filling, but we wanna make sure we seal these really good because we don't want that filling coming out when it's baked. And then you're gonna brush really good with egg wash, sprinkle with some coarse sugar, and bake it up. You guys, these turned out so good. The scripture today that I wanted to read is in Exodus chapter 4, verse 32. Be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other just as Christ God forgave you. Especially around the holidays, we all could use the scripture, right? The scripture on forgiving each other, love and compassion. And it's just this picture of no matter how many times we screw up and we sin and we do things that God doesn't want us to do, His love and His mercy and grace overflows. There's nothing that we could do that is going to stop Him from loving us. And so I would encourage all of us to take this scripture, especially when we're at family gatherings, especially if there's someone difficult in your family and your life, to lead with forgiveness, love, and compassion. Because at the end of the day, we have one shot. We have this one chance. And so this scripture, it's like this book is the backbone to our soul. And every time I read this scripture, I am reminded over and over again about God's goodness. And it helps me to just be a better person. And so I hope this helps you today. You've got a sweet treat and you've got scripture for your soul. So I loved being with you guys today. I will see you guys next time.